Have you ever wondered how lasagna is made inside a massive factory?
Today, we take you inside a high-tech lasagna manufacturing facility.
This factory produces thousands of lasagna meals every single day.
Every step is automated, precise, and carefully monitored. Let's start from the very first ingredient.
High-quality wheat flour arrives fresh every morning.
This flour will become the foundation of lasagna sheets. Fresh eggs are added for richness and texture. Purified water ensures perfect dough consistency.
These machines knead the dough evenly every time.
Consistency is key in factory-made pasta.
Quality checks happen at every stage.
Now the dough is ready to become lasagna sheets.
This line runs non-stop for maximum efficiency.
Perfectly thin and uniform lasagna sheets.
Sheets are cut to exact dimensions. Lasagna sheets are partially cooked using steam.
This makes them flexible for layering.
Prepares them for assembly. Only flawless sheets move forward.
Automation ensures perfect alignment.
Smooth texture means better final taste.
Next comes the heart of lasagna, the sauce.
This is where flavor is created.
Fresh ingredients meet precise cooking.
Fresh tomatoes are thoroughly washed.
They're turned into smooth tomato sauce.
Spices and herbs are added.
Every batch follows a secret recipe.
Fresh meat is prepared separately.
Cooked to perfection for safety and flavor.
Cheese adds richness and melt.
Mozzarella is most commonly used.
Now it's time to assemble. This is the most satisfying part.
Everything begins with a base layer.
Sauce is distributed evenly.
Then comes the savory filling.
Cheese completes the layer. This process repeats several times.
Now the lasagna goes into the oven.
Carefully controlled temperature ensures perfection.
This is where magic happens. Fully cooked and ready.
Cooling prevents moisture buildup.
Each tray is inspected.
Portions are standardized.
Airtight packaging keeps it fresh.
Every pack gets proper labeling.
Expiry dates ensure safety.
Ready for shipping.
Automation speeds everything up. Thousands of meals prepared. Distributed nationwide. From factory to your store.
The journey continues.
All in one seamless operation.
Fresh, safe, and delicious.
Made with care and technology.
This is how factory lasagna is made. Next time you eat lasagna,
You'll know the journey behind it.
A perfect blend of science and taste.
subscribe for more factory secrets.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.